This is the Cyberthlon, a fascinating and insightful bionic competition for disabled people who use robotic-assisted technologies. It draws 60 teams from 20 different countries across the globe to participate in 6 different disciplines, which include a powered exoskeleton race, an arm prosthesis race, a leg prosthesis race, brain-controlled computer games, a functional electrical stimulation bike race, and a powered wheelchair race. The goal is to accelerate the development of assistive technologies for people with physical disabilities, as well as to promote inclusion and knock down barriers between the public, people with disabilities, and tech developers. The non-profit championship, which kicked off in 2013, is an initiative of ETH Zurich. Pilots with disabilities collaborate with teams of technology providers to develop robotic assistive aids that can help them accomplish an array of everyday obstacles. The powered arm prosthesis race involves pilots with amputation on one or both forearms or upper arms, and they must replicate the functions of their lost extremities. Today, arm prostheses have made incredible strides, such as an automatic motion from the user and transmitting a sense of touch when handling objects. The brain-computer interface race involves pilots with quadriplegia that use brain-computer interfaces to control avatars in a computer game. The objective of this technology is to control devices such as wheelchairs for people with limited ability to move. The powered exoskeleton race highlights how exoskeletons considerably increase the mobility of people with paraplegia, which therefore improves their overall physical and psychological health. While their use isn't common, exoskeletons are considered a welcome addition to a wheelchair. The functional electrical stimulation bike race is for pilots with paraplegia. It zeroes in on a technique that allows paralyzed muscles to move again. Electrodes are placed on the skin or implanted, and currents are applied to the muscles, therefore making them contract. The powered leg prosthesis race involves pilots using a leg prosthesis on one or both sides, including a knee joint, and they have to perform various movements. The powered wheelchair race involves pilots with wheelchairs controlled by a joystick, tongue control, touchpad, or other technologies, and overcome obstacles such as stairs. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.